Hi everyone, my name's Kevin. Today we're going to change the batteries in a smoke detector. Now experts say you should change your smoke detector batteries once a year around the end of daylight saving time. So whenever you set your clocks back, just remember to change the batteries in your smoke detector. You can use the knowledge in this video to change the batteries in other things such as your car, an iPhone, a vibrator. Alright, let's get down to it. Step one, we got to find our smoke detector. So let's go. Okay, let's get some tools and get this back off. So once you have the back off, you need to figure out what kind of batteries does this thing use. If you can focus in right there, we can see that mine uses a 3215 triple volt. What? Let's do some math real quick. So a normal 9-volt battery is going to last you about a year. But my batteries, they ain't normal. They're 3215s. So I'm going to take that and divide it by 9. That's going to tell me how many years this thing will run. Over 357. But these are triple volts. So they're exponentially more powerful. So I've got to cube that. And what we're going to get is over 45 million years. But there's 3 of those batteries. So I'll multiply that times 3. And these batteries are going to last me over 136 million years. The numbers don't lie. I managed to find some of these batteries. Looks like they're either German or Russian Jezebrine. Let's get them in the smoke detector. Once you get the batteries in your smoke detector, you need to calibrate it. And that's how you do it. If you've got any questions or comments, just rewatch the video. Seriously, everything's there. Everything you need to know. Thank y'all. I just realized we don't set the clocks back today. We set them forward. You're killing me, man! It took me 30 minutes to edit this video. 30 minutes of my Sunday. You're killing me, man. This ain't about spring. It's about me detecting some smoke.